Uh-oh, she's running like shit now. That's not good. Check engine light, we got a flash and check engine light. It just like cut power majorly. Unbelievable. What a fucking piece, man. Oh, she's having issues. She's misfiring. Fuck. See, we got a flashing check engine light here. Son of a bitch. Just trying to sell this car and move on with my life. Yeah, it's not good to have a flashing check engine light. That means you got a serious misfire. So I don't know. I hope something happened to it that was minor. We'll see. It's definitely misfiring. The fuck does this mean, dude? Did it pop a head gasket? Holy shit. Ugh. Unbelievable. After swapping the plug, still have a PO301 Misfire 1, so I'm guessing the coil's bad, but now I'm gonna swap coils out and see if it's if the misfire moves over to a different cylinder. That way I'll know for sure. So I just switched the number 1 and number 2 coils with each other, and it's obviously still misfiring. So we're gonna see what the codes are. Comes back. May take a minute, or I might have to go drive around the block because it runs like dog shit when you're driving it. Rev's pretty bad too, but it really runs like dog shit under acceleration with a load on it. Oh my god. It barely goes. It's floored. Alright. So we just took it around the block after we swapped the coils. Let's see what this thing says. We're looking for PO302. Alright, well, that's not what we're looking for. So that's not good. We still have a cylinder 1 misfire detected. That's like worst case scenario, I think. Because it means that the coil's not bad, the plug's not bad. Wonder if there's some carbon buildup on the valves or something. I don't know, I'll have to do some research. Ah, fuck this car. We've had it for about 450 miles before running into problems with it. Just unbelievable. I can't believe I still have a 301. I'm just gonna clear it and drive it again and hope that something happens here. I don't know. Drop a gear. That's floored. 37 miles an hour. Yeah, we got major issues. Wow, things running horrible. Absolutely horrible. I can't believe it. It's supposed to be a quick car to have fun with and then sell, and it's turned into a fucking nightmare. Luckily no one wants to buy it, so it's not like I have a bunch of buyers lined up trying to get it right now. So now I'm just royally confused because now I have a 301, PO301. For that generic code, cylinder 2 misfire. So I just got the new coil in the mail, so I gotta double check and make sure it's the right one while it's still in the packaging, because you know they don't like to refund these things if they're opened. And it looks like it's the right one, so I'm gonna get her installed and hope and pray that this fixes the misfire issue, because if not, oh man, it's gonna be an expensive fix. These coils are kind of hard to get out sometimes when they get sucked in there. But once they're out, they're not too bad. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand though. Snaps in, easy as pie. Let's hope and pray that the misfire is gone. Oh no, that is not good. This is just going down a bad path right here. Yep, she's still having issues. Well, this is sure interesting. Now I have a cylinder 4 misfire. I still have cylinder 1 misfire, P300 random misfire. Seems like the misfires are changing, so I don't know what the hell's going on with it. Tell you what, that is so disappointing. I don't even know what to say, because this is supposed to be a quick fix and flip, but turns out this thing's just been a nightmare like every other car I've tried to flip recently. Who knows how expensive this is going to be. Hopefully I can have someone take a look at it cheap, because it's beyond the realm of what I can fix on my own. So, oh my gosh, what a piece of shit. 400 miles we put on this thing, I think, or 350 miles we put on it, and run into issues. This is why I don't buy German cars, man. Just constant bullshit. Unbelievable.